Good afternoon, y'all. Welcome to the channel Life 1 Mile at a Time. Hope you guys are enjoying your morning, afternoon, night, whatever it is, whatever time of day you're watching this video. Hope it's going great. So we have a separate video on my front brakes of my 04 Explorer. Now we are about to work on the rear brakes of my 04 Explorer. Just wanted to make this in two separate videos in case someone only needs to do the fronts or in case someone only needs to do the rears. It's better not searching through a whole video. So if you like the video, if you learned something, please like and subscribe. Very much appreciate it. Let's get right on into it. Okay, I apparently didn't get on video and that's my fault, but to get your cover off, guys, I'll show on the other side. There's a little slot right here. Take a flathead and just pry it off. It's nice and easy. Let's go ahead and get this off. Okay, now on an 04 Explorer, at least for mine in particular, it should be the same for everybody though. Mine are 19 millimeters. Now, I saw mine came loose already. If you need to, I like to use a dead blow hammer. And you just take it and hit it top and bottom until it comes loose, okay? Talking to Hoyt. What up, boy? Did he really? What up, boy? What's good, Holmes? Alright, okay guys, so this is a 10 millimeter, okay, and the only way to get it to fit is use a shorty, and then just bam. You could just easily get it out, yeah, because you know that's just smart. So I was able to get this one out. Okay, it just took a little bit of wiggling. It came out though. I got the bottom one out. Now we're trying to get this off, but I need to push this piston in. I don't have enough clearance. So what I'm trying to do, okay, so next, take a flathead or a pry bar. Okay, get in here. Just push that back, just like that. Okay, now with that done, this comes loose. Okay, so I'm gonna get this off and put it somewhere safe so we can actually finish this job. Okay, they're now out. Now, we're going to take our old pad, okay, which looks like this. This goes inside of your piston, okay? We're going to put it back in there. Just like that. Take that, take a brake compression tool. This one's mine. Okay, so you're going to take a brake compression tool with your old pad in there, okay? And just compress it just like this. Okay, now that that's all nice and compressed, pop that brake out just like that. Let's get the old hardware off. I did get one off already, but I'll show you how I'm going to do the other. Okay, I'm going to take a screwdriver and a hammer, get up underneath it, just hit it off. Okay, so this is why I told y'all you should take pictures, because I actually was putting it in wrong. Where they lock down there, but then slide in. Okay, so you want both of these with the ear that looks like this, that has a slot on the bottom. So, okay, so we're back. Now, we got these ears where they're kind of on there. Okay, so now let's up there. So get that pushed back. I may need to, ow. Okay, and bam. Now we just gotta put these two bolts back in, and we're good to go. Okay, that one feels in. So does that one now? Okay. Okay. Just like that. These are now done. Let's get the tire back on, and we'll start on the other side. Okay. Wrong way. Now we got the tire on. Let's get these lug nuts on. Screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, comes in this little tab. Just pry this out. Just like that. Impact or whatever wrench you have. You guys saw on the other side. Okay, both bolts out. Now take a screwdriver. Now that is done, we should, okay, greased now. Okay, now we got both of those in, just like that. Okay. I just want to try to get that further out the way. Take a screwdriver, and just pop them off. Just like that. One there.
your dad's car, I guess. I want him. You can't have it.
Push this back and then push it on. Okay. Okay. Now with those both on, we can take these. Take it and just hit it on there, just like that. All right, same thing on this side, just torque them. Okay, and same thing. Line these up. Just hit her on. Now, what you need to do is you should get back in your car. Okay. Go ahead and start her up. Now, what you're gonna do is pump your brakes. You want it to press back up on your pads. Okay, you don't want to go out on the road and these aren't pressing. Now this feels good. You should have a lot of pressure on it. It feels good. Now you should also activate your parking brake, okay? Just make sure it's working. See? I ain't moving. That means it's working. Alright, now go ahead and put it back. We'll release. And as you can see, my car moves. Car moves and brakes. You should always do that after you do your brakes, just to make sure everything's working properly, and then go out for a test drive. I got cars to move before I do that, and I also have a window regulator to do on both passenger door windows. But if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. I hope you guys learned something and learn that you could do it yourself. You know, some of these brakes, they look weird, like my rears. I've never encountered that before, where I had to actually get a screwdriver in there or a pry bar in there, get in there and bend that, push that caliper back, just so I can actually get it off and then do it. You know, it's some of these are weird setups, but for the most part, they're pretty self-explanatory and they're rather easy. And I hope you guys are more confident in doing it on your own. Have a blessed day.